Welcome, I'm Emily Mikaya. I want to talk about the beauty of unity, the beauty of peace, the beauty of harmony. I believe that we don't understand that beauty. That's why sometimes we destroy it. Do you know that coming up together, different tribes, different religions will come together. The collection of these different tribes makes Nigeria, and the collection of the different tribes and different religions, it will make us to do better. If you want the best way to practice your own religion is to first make peace. If you make peace in your society, you make peace in your environment, you know what you are doing. So you will practice your religion better than other people. But if we are not united, we are separate, we hate ourselves. So we are not going to practice our own religion the way we want it. Our religions want peace. That's why it teaches us honesty in our scriptures. It might be Bible or Quran, whatever it is, it needs peace. Because without that peace, you will not practice it the way you want it. Without that peace, you will not practice it the way your ancestors practiced it. So try to make peace. Try to understand the value of love. Try to understand the value of humanity, the importance of one soul. You have to understand that thing. You have to understand that the person who tells you are different with other people, the person who tells you that you have to hate other people, the person who tells you that you have to kill other people, he is not a worthy person. You have to stop listening to him. He is trying to destroy you and destroy your future. If you really want your religion, if you really want your own tribe, then try to make peace in your society. Your tribe will be proud of you. Your religious people will be proud of you. This is how we make a better nation. So love yourself first and then love your society. The best way to make your society better, the best way to make your children to live in a better life is to make a peace. But if we continue living like this, hating ourselves, killing ourselves because of small crises, our children will grow up and continue doing the same what we are doing, and there will be no any development. That's why some of our people in Nigeria, they end up migrating to fly to another country. This country that they are flying, they are not doing what we are doing. That's why their country become like a heaven of joy. Everybody wants to be there. But once if we practice it, we love each other. Christian can hold the hand of Muslim and call him a friend. Muslim hold the hand of Christian and call him a friend. We come together, fighting, trying to find a better world for ourselves and our children. Coming the same school, no any race, no any differences, and this it will manifest out to a better country, to a better nation. And our children will find themselves in a better world. They will know what is the meaning of peace.